Can you look 10 years younger without even going under the knife? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, and I am going to tell you how today. I am Dr. Smriti Nathani, plastic and cosmetic surgeon and skin expert working at Tamira Plastic Surgery, Chennai. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about the science-backed non-surgical treatments which will help you turn back the clock or to slow down the clock so that you don't start looking aged. Let's talk about how can we reverse or slow back the clock on aging without undergoing under the knife. You would have noticed that many celebrities, whether it is Bollywood, Hollywood or Tamil Nadu, many celebrities are there who are constantly looking younger. They are in their 70s, 80s, but how do they look the same from past 10 to 15 years? It is not a magic, it is not a big secret. Yes, you can do it too. How to do it? These are some tiny tweakments which have to be started before you start aging. So it is about the right timing, the right treatment and constant care, which is the magic and the idea behind it. Let me tell you how also can you, like a celebrity, maintain a good skin, reverse your wrinkles, slow down your aging so that you age gracefully. So now with the advent of so many technologies and so many new type of machines and so many things and experiences, we are able to treat you with fine changes which come with aging without any cuts and without any surgery. So what are these fine things we are talking about? We are talking about some things like appearing wrinkles in the forehead here, which when you smile, then you suddenly see in the photos which were not there for 4 years and 5 years earlier, but now bothering you. When you smile, the apple of the cheek is not that high and the face has started looking slightly saggy and dull. The under eye is looking hollow and giving you a slightly tired look. Now, what is the right time to intervene and how to intervene? If you let these changes be permanent and then there is very hard for us to do non-surgical treatments to completely reverse this because there is volume loss, there is skin laxity which is beyond repair without any kind of surgeries, or there are so many pigmentation issues. But if at the starting of these concerns you meet us and discuss your concerns, there are small treatments like tiny amount of Botox, a little bit of very strategic use of fillers, not to make your face look puffy or pillow face, but to give you that slight lift so that you look youth. Again, some things like skin boosters which not let your skin become dry, things like MNRF, microneedling radiofrequency, which banks the collagen in your skin so that the skin does not look dry, papery and it looks tight and strong. Those are the things which you can undergo. Now, some of the other things are medical grade anti-aging chemical peels. These are the retinol peels. Retinol, you know, as it is very good in skincare. So these are the retinol peels which tighten your skin, brings back the dewiness, the softness which we usually see in the youth skin. So these are the treatments which I recommend, which should be done at the regular constant intervals to maintain the skin in the same manner. They can also treat a little bit of imperfections and you have to get it at certain time limits like once in a year or twice in a year. So that's why these are called the tweakments. They don't require too much of downtime, they don't require too much of work to be done, but these small changes will help you maintain your skin, the dewiness, the freshness and halt your age, and you can also be looking like a celebrity. So it is really not about the overnight magic which we do as aestheticians. It's about, as I said, intervention at the right time and keep getting these small treatments at time to time to address your concerns so that your skin remains as it is. Thank you so much. Don't forget to DM Skin if you have any other queries for anti-aging or another skin concerns. Thank you so much.